Welcome back, guys, to another amazing video. I know you guys have been wondering where I've been, but trust me, I've been here. I've just been busy. So today, on today's video, we're gonna be making coconut turnover, Jamaican style. So let's get right into it, guys. So first thing first, guys, we need is brown sugar, followed by some lukewarm water, which is warm to touch, and we're gonna be stirring that for a little bit, and then we're gonna be adding our yeast. Make sure it's active dry yeast, and then we're gonna be covering this up for like 10 to 15 minutes till our yeast gets all bubbly and our yeast is alive, and then we'll continue from there. So now that our yeast is alive and well, we're gonna be using some vegetable oil, followed by salt for taste, followed by our all-purpose flour. Yes, guys, and we're gonna be stirring it, not kneading, stirring it to get all of our ingredients combined together. So yes, guys. As much as all you guys think it needs more flour in this process, no, guys, it doesn't need any more flour, and we're gonna be covering this for 30 to 45 minutes. So now, guys, let's get started with the filling. So what you're seeing I'm using now is grated coconut, followed by coconut flakes, which I got from the supermarket, of course. And we're gonna be starting on our filling the right and correct way with our cinnamon, our nutmeg, our brown sugar, make everything combine together and start cooking, and get that turnover, that nice filling on the inside. So stay tuned, guys. Not gonna lie, guys, the aroma that this gives off, oh my god, the smell is so amazing. I wish you guys were here to actually smell it, but you only can smell it through the phone. So continue watching, guys. So now, guys, we're gonna be starting on our dough that we covered 30 to 45 minutes ago. You see why I told you that we don't need any flour, because we're gonna be adding flour in this process. So now, guys, we're gonna be kneading it for like 20 minutes, guys, 15 to 20 minutes. Yes. So now that we have cut our dough in 8 pieces, we're gonna be farming it like how you farm your dumpling, like your white dumpling. We're gonna be farming it just like that, guys. Now it's time for us to roll out our rolling pin now. And we're gonna be rolling our dough with our rolling pin and then add our filling. So guys, just follow me step by step how I do this and you will get everything the correct way. And guys, please to make sure your dough have the same amount of filling, because you don't want one dough have more filling and the other dough have less filling, guys. So please to be even when it comes to filling your dough. And when you're rolling, guys, please to roll gently because we don't want our dough to tear. Yes, so what you see I'm doing here, I'm trying to close the dough actually. So you push it inwards. Yes, and we're just gonna repeat the steps, guys. And when you're using your baking tray, guys, please to oil it, okay? And when I say oil it, I mean throw the bucket of oil in it. I mean, like, you can use a little tubs of butter, or you can use a little cork full of oil, or maybe you just base it a little because you don't want it to stick or burn when it's in the baking process, guys. So yes. And then we're gonna come back to when it's rise, guys, and look at that. Beautiful, guys. You see why we never want it close to each other, because they're gonna be touching when they're proofing, and this is the proof, guys. And we're gonna be popping these bad boys in the oven, and voila, look at that, guys. Beautiful. And we're just gonna be basting this with some room temperature butter. Yes, guys. And at this point, guys, it's very hot, but sure me could wait till it cool down for sure. No, oh my turnover nice and moist and full of texture, full of taste. If we don't can't taste it, but me know say, you know, I have to try to taste it through the phone. So guys, come on, look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Look at my turnover. Jesus. And please guys, thanks for watching. Please to like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos like these. Bye guys.